I've been in this automobile space for 26 years and I've seen a lot of things, but now I'm into the part where giving you information. So hope my boss doesn't see this video, but I wanted to share 3 things that we do not want you to know when it comes to buying a car. But 3 things I don't want you to share with me or try to use on me. Not share with me, but use on me. One is, if you're looking to buy a car, one of the things that we do not want you to know, or we do not want you to ask us is, how many days that particular car been on the dealership? How many days? Anytime a car has been on a dealership lot for more than 30 days, it needs to be an urgency for us to get rid of that car. Because the faster we turn over one car, the faster we're able to get another car. It's a cycle. It's a cycle every 30 days. If cars on our lot, we can get rid of the car the next day or 2 days later or 3 days later. We want that. Because remember, if you're looking to buy a car and you say, you know what, you go to a dealership and you say, you know what, I'm not looking to buy a car. I'm not going to be ready for 90 days. We're going to say, see you in 90 days. Or what's stopping you right now? What's stopping you right now? And why do you have to wait 90 days? Because of the dealerships, we believe in right now. Not tomorrow, not next month, not 3 months from now. It's all about right now. Find out how long that particular car been on this lot, on the dealership's lot. But if that car has been over 30 days, remember that's negotiation time. Time to get the pen out. Time to get the working the deal. Just say working the deal. Take your shoes off. Take your coat off. Take your jacket off. Take your shoes off. Just kidding. But relax. Work that deal. Do not take the first pencil, because if we had a car on our lot over 90 days, we really need to get rid of it. Remember, the more faster we turn the cars, the faster we can replace that car. That's number one. Knowing how many days that particular car been on the lot. Why? It's because the longer the car been on the lot, the better deal that you are going to receive. Number 2, OTD. One thing we don't want you to ask us is, what is the out the door price? We call it OTD. The reason we don't want you to ask us that is because it's going to have everything together. Out the door price. It's going to have the sales price. It's going to have the tax. It's going to have if you get a warranty, if you get gap, if there's any extra things that was included in the price of the car or included in the out the door price. It's going to be right on the purchase order. So when you say what's the out the door price, it's going to tell you all the fees that you're charged. Remember, all the fees that you charge. So that's number 2. Number 3 is we don't want you to come on and ask us what was the cash offer on my trade. Well, we may tell you one thing, but then we're able to hide things and do things. When I say hide things, we're able to, we say we're giving you $5,000 for the car and we say $5,000. It might not say $5,000 on paper. It might be $4,500, and then maybe we're making up a difference somewhere else to make it work for us, right? So just make sure whatever we say we're going to give you for your vehicle, the cash offer, or what we're going to give you for your trade, that you see that on your buyer's order or your purchase order. You got to make sure you see it. So this video, I did recap 3 things real fast. 1 is knowing how many days that vehicle's on the lot. Number 2 is know the cash offer on your trade. Number 3, OTD. Remember OTD, out the door price. When you're talking to us, we use a lot of dealership terms or car terms, because we don't really want you to know all the terms that we use, because it's just like talking in code. So you go to the dealership, we're talking in code. We're talking in terms that we know that you will understand. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, I need you to share this video with someone. Know that if you don't need me right now, somebody else may need me. So pass that video along. Or subscribe to my channel. You stopped by for a reason. So stop by, subscribe, and then share my channel with someone else.